This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Lisa Remington. Has it all? Wonderful 2018 one-story with 1,854 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath and big screened porch and tranquil private. Soaring ceilings and open floor plan with cozy gas fireplace. You will love your electric bills, just a fraction of price attributed to your 3 years new solar panels with 10-20 warranty. Additional features: owner's suite with tray ceiling, double sinks, standalone shower and big soaking tub and closet. Great commuter home near I-64 exit 231, shopping, Starbucks and ice cream shop 2 country blocks away. Community playground, sidewalks and trails. Ready for quick closing? For more information, review the details below.